hard to resist you. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, with an everyday. All I wanna hear is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you. Yeah. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you away. We don't really want to. I just wanna get away.
Hey guys, it's me Rachel, and today I'm back with another video for you guys. So in today's video, as you guys can tell by the title, I'll be reviewing another headband wig, and I just kind of wanted to do a little intro and go ahead and put you guys on, because this is definitely hands down the best headband wig that I've ever tried. Not just the hair on it is the best, but the construction of it and the sizing is just like literally perfect for me. So yeah, I'm gonna give you guys the details on this wig, and then I guess I'll get into a little bit more of why it's like my favorite ever. Like, I literally did this in not even 10 minutes and it looks so good. So as you guys can see, this wig is from AliPearl hair, and they did end up sending me their 26-inch 180% density headband wig, and let me check the price on this. So this wig is $266.80, and you can choose to get the 1 free headband or the 2 headband set or the 5 headband set. And of course, the more headbands, the more the price goes up. Max is like $10. They can go up if you get the 5. But these are all the ones that I got, and this was my favorite one. I just love like the neutral and the red in it. It looks really, really cute. Let's get into this hair for a second, because I literally have done absolutely nothing to this hair. You guys will see. I took it straight out of the box, and this is the curl pattern. What? I knew from the moment I took it out of the box it was going to be really, really smooth and easy to work with, but I didn't expect to like not even have to put any product in it. Like, there's absolutely nothing in this hair, you guys. I love it. I love the natural look of it. It just looks like effortless. So I'm gonna leave it like this, but if you do want to go through and like define the waves, you can. I feel like the hair is so light and airy, so if you put any product on it, maybe make sure it's like a cream product, because you're gonna want to keep this light, airy feeling. Like, it just feels so good. It's like a weightless almost. And for 26 inches, you definitely want hair that's like more weightless. But yeah, I could literally go on and on about how soft this hair is, how beautiful the ends of the hair are. Like, it's not rough on the ends. The hair is weightless. It's bouncy. Like, the only product that I did end up putting in the hair was some gel at the top to lay it down, because I like for the area like right behind the headband to be as flat as possible. So I laid that down. Other than that, I laid it down, laid my baby hairs, and that is it. And then my other favorite thing about this wig was the construction of it. This one is like the perfect size. I had no issue putting it on. It does have that elastic band, or like the Velcro band. What was a little bit different than the other 2 wigs that I've had is that this one has like clip-in clips instead of like clips that dig into your hair. So you can like snap and unsnap. You can choose not to use them or to use them. I'm just using the 2 on top and the 2 on the back, and my wig is, it's giving. So I'm actually obsessed with this wig. I did not expect to be. I literally was just like, okay, you know, another headband wig, and then they blew me away. So yeah, I don't know, I just feel like the wig is speaking for itself. Like, can you guys tell how soft and smooth this is straight out of the box? Like, what? Like I said, this is the curly headband wig from AliPearl hair, and if you guys would like to see how I installed it, which was literally like nothing, then just keep watching, and I'll see you guys at the end for like my final goodbye.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, the more that it becomes so true. There are
guys, this is how the wig turned out. As you guys already know, I love this wig. I'm obsessed. I do have a lot more to review, so like I said, I'll keep you guys updated. But as of right now, this is my #1 if you guys wanted a good headband recommendation. So thank you again to AliPearl Hair for sending me this wig. Hopefully y'all enjoyed and liked this wig. If you did, do not forget to give me a huge thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.